Chapter 8. Introduction to Google Apps. Central idea. Introduction to Google Apps. Google Drive and Docs. Different types of files on Google Drive. Introduction. As you know, Google is a search engine. Google provides many services to perform various tasks at home or at work. To use these services like Gmail or Google Calendar, you will need to create an account. Google account is used to log in to Google services. It is an email address and password combination, and it is generally what you would type in any time Google asks you to log in. Google Apps is a set of web applications provided by Google. These web applications include Google Email, Google Calendar, Google Docs, and Google Site. Google Apps allows you to create, share, and access documents and web pages from any internet-connected computer, tablet, or mobile device. Easy to use collaboration features allows for real-time online editing of documents and web pages by multiple people, thereby bringing students, instructors, and teams together virtually. Using Google Apps does not require you to buy or install software, and you are able to use the tools right from within your favorite web browser. Google Apps runs in the cloud using nothing but the web used for managing email, sharing contacts, working on documents, building web pages, and keeping a calendar. In this lesson, we will look at some of the different services you can use with a Google account. Google Drive. Google Drive is a free service from Google that allows you to store files online and access them anywhere using the cloud. Google Drive provides unlimited online space to store files. Google Drive also gives you access to free web-based applications for creating documents, spreadsheets, presentations, drawing, and Google Sites. You can share files or entire folders with individuals or groups. Google Drive allows 50 users to simultaneously edit a document or folder. Google Drive also provides tools to access free web-based applications for creating documents, spreadsheets, slide presentations, forms, and drawings. There is no need of using software installed on your computer. A single document, file, or folder can be shared with up to 200 users. Different types of files you can create and share on Google Drive are Google Docs, create documents, edit spreadsheets, build and share presentations. Documents. Google Documents are similar to Microsoft Word. It is used for composing letters, essays, and other text-based files. Spreadsheets. Google Spreadsheet is similar to Microsoft Excel workbooks. You can insert charts, images, videos, create calculations and formulas, create multiple sheets, protect cells, sheets, or the entire workbook, configure notification rules notifying you of changes to your spreadsheet. Presentations. Google Presentation is similar to Microsoft PowerPoint. Open Presentation and choose your title and theme. Top toolbar gives you access to more features. Some features of Google Presentations are Quick Launch toolbar gives you quick access to commonly used features. insert text, images, video, etc. Insert tables. Presenter views. Full screen views. Presenter with speaker notes. Share your presentation with collaborators. Configure who can view your presentation. Forms. You can create simple questionnaire type forms. The types of questions in forms are text, multiple choice, drop-down boxes, grids, check boxes. You can also do the following. Select different theme backgrounds. Publish your form online. Save form results to Google Spreadsheets. Set notification rules to notify you of changes. Drawings. A drawing application is similar to Microsoft Publisher, used as picture editing tool. You can insert text, images, word art and more. You can also share your drawings with others. Create different kinds of boxes, arrows, lines, scribbles, etc. Change font colors or fill in shapes with different colors. Insert pictures and even take a snapshot using your computer camera. Other fun tools. Google Sites. Google Sites is an online website creation tool. Using basic document editing tools, you can easily create websites, layout, insert pictures, embed views, etc. to share with others. http://sites.google.com. Login with email address, net ID and password. Google Maps. Google Maps is a free online map from Google. Google Maps is a web mapping application offering satellite images and street views of any location in the world. Use Google Maps to view maps and get driving directions. It is accessible through your web browser or as an app for mobile devices. You can use Google Maps to get step-by-step directions, find information about local destination. You can get to Google Maps by typing maps.google.com in your browser's address bar. You can also do a Google search for the name of a location or address, and a link to Google Maps will be at the top of the results. If you have a smartphone, you can use the Google Maps app. This app can give you free turn-by-turn directions, which means your phone can tell you exactly when to turn left, make a U-turn, or just keep driving. Google Maps can even tell you when there is a lot of traffic on your way and will suggest an alternative route. Google Calendar. Google Calendar is a powerful and free service you can use to organize your schedule and share calendars with others. You can access your calendar from any computer or mobile device as long as you are signed in to your Google account. A Google Calendar app available for most mobile devices. The Google Calendar app is installed by default on most Android devices. You can get to Google Calendar by visiting calendar.google.com. Gmail. Gmail is a free email service provided by Google. Gmail is like any other email service. You can send and receive emails, block spam, create an address book, and perform other basic email tasks. The Gmail app is the default mail app for many Android smartphones. The Gmail app automatically connects to the Google account you associate with your Android device, so it is ready to use as soon as you open it. YouTube. YouTube is a free video sharing website that makes it easy to watch online videos. You can even create and upload your own videos to share with others. You will need a Google account to sign in to YouTube. When you sign into YouTube with your Google account, you can take advantage of many YouTube features like videos, save favorites, subscribe to channels, watch later, watch history, create playlist, upload video, share video on social media. Google Wallet. With Google Wallet, it is fast, free, and easy to send and receive money. Send money to anyone, request money from others, and keep track when they pay you back. Cash out with a debit card or bank account and access money you receive in minutes. Automatically transfer money you receive to a debit card or bank account. Blogger. A blog is a type of website that is updated regularly with new content. Most blogs contain short, informal articles called blog posts. These posts usually contain some combination of text, photos, videos, and other media. At its core, a blog is just a space on the web that you can create to record and express your opinions, experiences, and interests. The people who write blogs are called bloggers.